Today I'm going to show you how to make these animated subtitles in Premiere Pro. Let's get straight to it. Now you're literally just going to hit T on your keyboard and type anywhere on the screen and search up the transform effect. Once you have the transform effect, make sure you drag it on top of the layer and then go back to where your effect controls are. Alright, then at the beginning, make sure that you set the scale to 90. So once you've selected it at 90 and you've hit the stopwatch icon, go forward exactly 3 frames. Then change this value to 110. Then go forward another 4 frames. Then change the value back to just 100. And then once you've done that, go to your shutter angle and change this all the way up to 360. Now, to add the rest of the words, click on this, click Alt, and then move this layer to where the next word is. Then go to the next layer, go to the Essential Graphics if you need to, and then type in the next word. As you can see, it pops in for every single word. Now go back to this layer and center it up. For whatever reason, it doesn't stay centered. So when you type a new word, always go back and make sure you recenter it so it looks the best. And then whenever there's another word, just click on the layer, click Alt and click on your mouse and then move it to where the next part is. So we just drag it over like that, click on it, type in the next word, center it back up. It is super clean, super smooth, and it didn't really take that long to make. Now you're just going to repeat this process the entire way through until your intro is done. Now, as you can see, I finished up all of my subtitles, and it literally took me like 4 minutes to do. All right, so if you want to move this to anywhere on the screen, but you don't want to have to individually move them all, then I'm going to show you how to do that. But before we do that, make sure that you click on any one of these text layers, click Control C, and then move your timeline off to the side and click Control V. This is so if you have any other parts in your video that you want to make captions, this is what you're going to use as your base. Then go back over here and select all of these and click and nest. Click OK. And now all of these are in a nested layer. So now when you click on this, you can go to effect controls. You can scale these bigger or smaller, and you can move them anywhere you want on this screen. And now let's play these all back. As you can see, they look nice. You can change up the color. The average person's intro is 15 to 45 seconds long. This shouldn't take you that long, and it looks way better than the regular subtitles. I hope you did find this tutorial useful or helpful. Share it with a friend if you want to.
Hey, yo, Parrish, this shit hot, boy.